There we go. Okay, guys, so sorry that took a minute to straighten out, but we're going to go over some operations with fractions because you asked me for it. Okay, so the first thing is we have like fractions, okay? And like fractions have the same denominator, okay? They have the same denominator. And what that means is they're easy, okay? Why are they easy? Because if the fractions have the same denominators, then you can just add or subtract the tops, okay? The numerators. So for example, 1/3 plus 2/3, the denominators are the same, so it's going to result in a new fraction with 3 in the bottom or in the denominator. And now I could add the top. 1 plus 2 is 3, and then we can reduce if we need to, okay? I don't know, 2/5 plus 3/5. Well, the bottoms are the same, so we're going to have a new fraction with a denominator of 5, and then we can add 2 plus 3 is 5, and reduce again if we need to, okay? Maybe you have something like, I don't know, 7/3 minus 4/3. Well, again, the denominators are the same, so we're going to have a denominator of 3, and 7 minus 4 is 3, so we get 1. Now, they don't all turn out to be 1. I'm just like making stuff up, and it's working out that way. Okay, so I don't know. Let's see. 3/13 minus 5/13. Okay, so the bottom's 13, and the top is 3 minus 5. Well, remember that's 3 plus a negative 5, okay, if you want to do it that way. The signs are different, so you subtract 5 minus 3 is 2, and you assign the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 5, and it's negative, so we make that negative. The problem you guys have is when the denominators are not like, because then you can't just add or subtract the numerators. So for instance, 1/3 plus 1/5. You can't do anything with it until you come up with a common denominator. So to do that, we're going to multiply each one of these by an equivalent fraction. We need the bottoms to be the same, right? So I'm going to multiply 1/3 by 5/5, the denominator of this one. Bring over my plus. And now I'm going to take this next one, 1/5, and multiply it by 3/3. And when we multiply straight across the top, so 1 times 5 is 5, or 3 times 5 is 15. Over here, 1 times 3 is 3, over 15. Now the denominators are the same, so we're going to have a new fraction with a denominator of 15, and now we can add the tops. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay? I don't know, 4 minus 2/3. So you can write 4 as 4/1. And then again, we're going to multiply this one by 1/1. If you want to think of it that way, you don't have to do anything with this one. And you're going to multiply this one by 3/3. And now if we clean that up, we're going to have 3 times 4 is 12/3. Bring down the minus. 2 times 1 is 2/3. Denominators are the same, so now we could add or subtract the numerators. 12 minus 2 is 10. Okay, that's pretty much it. Here's some for you to try. I don't know. Okay, so give those a whirl, and if you have questions, you can ask me in class. All right, have a good night.